How to upload PDF document in ChatGPT. First of all, you have to open Google on your very device. After that, in the search section, you have to search chatpdf.com. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of Chat PDF. And when you tap on that, you will see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, you have to update the very PDF document within the very interface. So you have to wait for a while. After waiting for a while, you will see an interface like this. Now, on the option of drop PDF here, you have to drop the PDF that you want. After tapping on that, you can also get the access to your very PC, and after that you can drop the PDF from the very device that you have. You can also select the very PDF that you want to add and go to the very PDF and go to the option of open. After you tap on that, it will take some time, and after that your PDF will be uploaded, and after that you can see that your PDF has been uploaded. Now you can ask any of the question regarding your PDF in the very section. You can add any of the questions that you want to know about the very PDF. You can add this way, and it can also be very helpful to you during your assignment session as well. For example, I'm searching about the Labor Act 2074 here, as a PDF that I uploaded is of Labor Act 2074. So this way you can upload your PDF here, and you can also add the other video PDF by going to the option of new chat on the right section, and this way you can know a lot about your PDF. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.